Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, isopropyl alcohol, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you safely disassemble and clean your laptop's motherboard without causing any damage. First, power off your HP16 af1014ns and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while you work on the device. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. It's a good idea to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel off, you should now see the internal components, including the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to assess the condition of the motherboard. Look for any dust buildup or debris that may have accumulated over time. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, using the soft brush, gently sweep away any dust from the motherboard. Pay special attention to the fan and heatsink areas, as these can accumulate significant dust that may hinder performance. For stubborn grime, dampen the brush slightly with isopropyl alcohol, but ensure it's not dripping wet. After brushing, take the microfiber cloth and lightly wipe down the surface of the motherboard. This will help remove any remaining dust and ensure a clean surface. Be careful around sensitive components. A gentle touch is key here. Once you've finished cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. If you're unsure about any step or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess your laptop and recommend the best course of action. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your HP16 af1014ns. Check to see if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front without any surprises. Cleaning your laptop's motherboard is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance its performance. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device, keeping it running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.